Introducing the Taron Premium Toolbox collection from TopmaQ. The TBR0107-X Tool Box offers 3 trays that are great for switching between for different tasks, and 4 deep drawers for storing plenty of tools and equipment. The drawers include full-length aluminium quick-release hand grips and smooth, ball-bearing glides for hassle-free access. Each drawer has EVA poly liners to protect both the drawers and their contents. The cabinet features a molded top cover for extra storage with spaces for tools and fixing hardware. A simple locking system keeps your tools safe. Side panels on each side open to reveal hooks for hanging tools and storage bins for fixing hardware and other knickknacks. The Toolboxes' high-capacity roller bearing casters make it easy to keep your tools where you need them. Featuring rugged double-walled steel construction and a durable powder coat finish, the TBR0107-X gives you that reliable premium feel that Taron are known for. The Taron Toolbox collection from TopmaQ is the perfect mobile storage solution for your garage or workshop.